Welcome to 232-370 County Road 24 in East Garafraxa. Attention all builders, do-it-yourselfers, home handymen, and people looking for their own place of peace in the countryside. This 13-acre property located right on the Grand River with loads of waterfront is waiting for you. This property is located 7-8 minutes from Grand Valley and about 10 minutes west from Orangeville. This commuter-friendly location is on a paved road at the corner of County Road 24 and Highway 9. This raised bungalow features 3 bedrooms on the main floor, along with 2 full washrooms. The partially finished basement has 2 bedrooms. The recreational opportunities that this property offers are endless. For the outdoorsy and active family, these 13 acres backing onto the Grand River offers plenty of opportunities for you to make the most out of your experience at this property. For those young families moving into the area and looking for a piece of solitude in the countryside, feeder schools for your children would include East Garafraxa Public School and Westside Secondary.